Hi guys, how is everybody? It is now 1:30, 1:15, and I've just gone for some more hardcore for lads for the bottom tier of where Tom's laying now. Yeah, have you seen the new chainsaw we've acquired? It's a lovely sponsor all the way from China. They are trying to conquer the European market. They were the top three brands in China for power tools, and they're trying to conquer the European market, so I am honoured to be part of them. And so far so good. We have cut about 10 cuts in sleepers and probably 5 cuts in posts, and it is still going strong, still going sharp. The batteries, it's got two 4-amp batteries, so it's quite powerful. I'm quite shocked actually. When I've always looked at a battery powered chainsaw, I think, it's for someone who's cutting logs at home, you know what I mean? But when it's going through posts, fair enough, it can get through them, but sleepers, quite strong, some sleepers, you know, and it's just teared through it. It's brilliant. So the main test is just to see how long the chain lasts, but with this, I've seen some reviews and like, chain don't last long, but that's about maintenance. That's about, and I know this for chainsaws, that's about oil for the chain to keep it lubed. It's about not touching any stone. It's stuff like that. And then every morning, sharpen it every morning. If you're doing loads and loads of cuts, every 4 hours, sharpen it twice a day. You know what I mean? But that's that maintenance is that. So, but honest to God, I am shocked. And I'm really pleased in how it is going. But yeah, let's crack on and see how it goes throughout the rest of the day, because I'm doing the other side when I get back, so I've got even more sleepers. So, but yeah guys, I'll catch you soon. I'm just getting loaded with hardcore. Right guys, end of the day. So Tom's been laying there. I was just messing about in this corner trying to get some levels. We're going to put another 4-inch post underneath that. Let me just show you, turn you around. We're going to put 4-inch post underneath that and then sit it on a bed of mortar, and then pull a post down. I plug and screwed this. These are like gravel boards behind path. So I plugged and screwed them. Obviously a post is going to return. You can see how much this is on level. So the patio will come from here and then it'll start to rise up this sleeper. You won't see, you'll only see so much of that post that's going in on the angle. But yeah, good day today. That side is finished. It's just got 2 more runs there, which is like literally a triangle in the bottom corner. But overall, the chainsaw, I think it's mint. Let me just check the batteries. Hold on a minute. Press batteries, see See where we're at. 2 bars. 2 bars. Lovely. And we've done probably about 20 cuts, to be fair. We have had a lot of cuts in that corner. So I'm going to leave the link in the bottom. You can have a look on Amazon, have a look at our reviews. I'm going to put some reviews up at the end of this video. But yeah, link's in there. And I believe it's only 140 quid at the minute. It's not bad. And that has got some power to say what the 2 4-amp batteries. Like I say, I would expect it to be a bit sluggish, but it cuts through it. And when it gets it, it's sharp as hell. It's like a knife through butter, as they say. But yeah, guys, that's us for today. You're going to see a lot more of that throughout the whole of all of our videos going forward. But I shall catch you tomorrow, 8 o'clock sharp.